While antibiotics are prescribed to cure illnesses and change how you feel, students in medical microbiology at the Career and Technical Education Center examine how effective these meds really are.
This lab is the antibiotic resistance lab. So we're teaching the students all about bacteria and how to not overuse bacteria and the problems because of it.
The lab gives students skills they can use in and out of the classroom.
I learned the importance of antibiotics in curing infection, but then I also learned the importance of how to properly utilize antibiotics.
I thought it was useful to know that there are different types of antibiotics that can cure a bacterial infection, which is good because if someone was allergic to one antibiotic, they have a different type of antibiotic they can use.
The lab teaches students several things. First, from a patient's perspective, if the student were a patient, the first thing they will want to do is completely take an entire dose of antibiotic. We also get a chance to talk about how antibiotics are used in our food industry. If the animals that we're eating are raised on antibiotics, then you possibly have a bacterial infection. The doctor doesn't know which antibiotics, for example, the chicken has been on, and so antibiotics no longer work the way that they should. They're starting to not cure bacterial infections, mostly because the bacteria is evolving.
Students applied knowledge from previous lessons to gain new experiences.
So all of the stuff that we did in our past labs, such as aseptic technique and how to inoculate a plate, we got to use it in this lab in a way that's more practical than the basics. It was more akin to what being an actual microbiologist is like.
To work with bacteria such as E. coli or S. epidermidis is something that not many people around the country and the state get to do.
The side effects of this antibiotics lab are beneficial.
It's important to know the basics, and if you don't know how bacteria works, then you can't really know anything else. So it's important as a foundational start to my career.
I'm Bailey Coyle for FriscoISD-TV.